Hi everyone, and welcome to my home. I'm excited to have you guys here. So if you just follow me into the living room, and actually it's an open space kitchen, living room, dining room concept. So this is where I spend most of my time. And I was just actually in the middle of baking some banana bread. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been obsessed over the past couple of months with baking banana bread. I mean, baking in general, but banana bread exclusively. I'm almost finishing up here. I just have to add a little bit of cinnamon, which I really like. So I always add more than expected. Let me just mix that up. I've been learning various new ways of baking banana bread over the past couple of months. And that really brings me to SAP TechEd, because as you know, SAP TechEd is also all about learning. It's a 48-hour virtual learning experience. And the idea is to be able to share with you guys everything that's new at SAP over the past year. And with the whole virtual format, for example, on Channel 1, we're gonna have live expert interviews, we're gonna have live expert Q&As, so you can really engage with the SAP experts and get more information on the things that you're interested in. But it doesn't stop there. After TechEd, you're going to be able to continue to learn with the SAP Learning Hub. You can get your SAP certifications, and everything that you learn at TechEd or through these new learning opportunities, you can take back to your community. So you can take back to your colleagues, to your friends, whoever you work with that needs SAP technology. So remember to be able to access everything. Don't forget to register for SAP TechEd this year, and I hope to see you there. TechEd is about experiencing something different, something new, and something where you get fun out of it in the end. Something that you can share and enjoy with other people, just like SAP TechEd. I'm gonna be late for TechEd.